Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to connect Amazon Music to TV. In order to connect Amazon Music to TV, you need to follow the simple steps. Now, in my case, I'm using a Samsung Smart TV. So, in order to do it, first thing you need to install the Amazon Music app. For the first thing you need to install it. Now, press the home button with your remote control, then select apps. As you select apps, hit on the search icon in the upper right corner to type Amazon Music. Now you'll see detail about the Amazon Music app as well as the screenshot. You need to go ahead and select the install to have the Amazon Music app on your TV. After it's done, you need to go ahead and activate Amazon Music on your Samsung TV or on your TV. So to activate, you'll need to register your device. You can see this is how it's going to look like. Now back to the home screen, simply highlight the Amazon Music and select it to open it up. Then the code will appear on the TV screen on another device such as a phone or on the computer. You need to go and log into your Amazon Music account if prompted, then enter the code. After a moment, you'll successfully activate Amazon Music on your TV and then start playing your light music. So this way you could go ahead and connect Amazon Music to TV. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.